Very good day to one and all. We are Team 15 and our project is Solenoidal Copper Winding Machine under the guidance of Madam Padmaja K. Our team consists of Suraj Baddi, Ganesh Benni, Shankar Uppar and myself Kirti Rupangudi. Design process. We came across 5 stages of engineering design process. 1. Problem definition. 2. Conceptual design. 3. Product architecture. 4. Detailed design. 5. Design communication. Problem definition. Design a semi-automatic winding machine which is able to accurately wind the copper wire in horizontal direction. It should be portable and made user-friendly in nature. This machine is mainly for indoor usage machine which must be as light as possible and the volume should not exceed 2 cubic feet and should be able to wound 40 wounds per minute. The machine should be built in short period of time and it should be able to work for 3 hours continuously. The budget to build should not exceed Rs 4,000. It should indicate after the winding is completed by lightning systems. Function tree and functional clustering. Function tree. Winding machine has 3 units: hold spool, hold copper wire spool and indication. The functions of hold spool are: it senses the spool, it grips the spool, it winds one rotation at a time and it winds copper wire accurately. Functions of hold copper wire spool are: it senses copper wire spool, it senses copper wire, it unwinds copper wire from the spool, it releases copper wire. Functions of indications are: process completion, machine on and off, initiate winding, indicate LED after completion. The subsystems identified: 1. Copper spool holder unit. 2. Winding spool unit. 3. Accurate winding unit. Generated concepts. We have 4 conceptual designs: Design 1, Design 2, Design 3 and Design 4. Puck chart. Objectives: accurate winding, weightage 10, ease of use, weightage 9, portability, weightage 7, use of standard parts, weightage 6. As we see, design idea 1 is the datum and by all the calculations through puck chart, we have decided to take design idea 1. Why this concept? Reasons. The concept selection is done on the basis of puck chart. Justification for selected concepts. 1. Comparingly, the selected model has less complexity, ease of use and portable. 2. This model has feature of easy accurate winding mechanism. 3. The structure of this model is very simple and easy to build. 4. This model uses standard electromechanical components like DC motor, servo motor, LED light, button, etc., which are cheap and readily available in the market. 3D model for the entire system.
Here we present a model of automatic winding machine made in the Autodesk Inventor. Our model has the dimensions of 18 cross 12 inch. The larger side is of 18 inch and the smaller side is of 12 inch. Our model is divided into 3 subsystems. The first subsystem consists of a copper spool which would be purchased through the market, and the copper inside it would be 0.1 mm of thickness, and this would be the minimum thickness available in the market. This copper spool would be attached to the dummy motors on both the sides so that it could rotate freely, and below that we gonna place some of the components used for our project like IR sensors, Arduino and batteries. Moving on to the second subsystem consists of a servo placed at the center and attached to a stick made up of acrylic sheet having a hole at the corner. The third subsystem consists of a spool made up of nylon rod of 25 mm thickness and attached to a motor at one end and the dummy motor at other end. As we start our machine, the IR sensor gonna sense the copper spool and the copper wire inside it. As this senses the copper wire and the copper spool, the motor starts to rotate. As the motor rotates, the nylon spool starts to rotate, and along with the dummy placed at the other end, this starts to pull the copper wire through the stick through the copper spool. As this process is going on, the servo helps the stick to move to and fro and helps in making the accurate winding.
Circuit diagram of the entire system. The circuit diagram has components like DC motor, servo motor, IR sensor, LED display, relay, Wi-Fi module display, Arduino Mega 2560 board. Flow chart or Simulink model of the entire system. Start, insert the spool, DC motor gets on, then IR sensor if it senses the wire and copper wire and the spool, then the servo motor gets on, then the number of windings are counted, then the winding starts, then it gets stopped, or else the servo motor gets off, detects the spool, LED light blinks, and then it stops. Bill of materials required for the entire system. Spool and spool support. It is made up of acrylic sheet. Housing of microcontroller made up of foam sheet. One DC motor, one servo motor, microcontroller that is Arduino Mega, one IR sensor, base which is made up of foam sheet. Nuts and bolts, one battery, one display, buttons, single strand wires. Motor sizing and battery sizing of the entire system. Motor sizing. The mass of spool is 250 grams. Force is M into G. Force is 2.45 Newton. The diameter of spool is 2.5 cm and the radius of spool is 1.025 cm. Torque is force into radius, that is 2.5 Newton centimeter. Factor of safety is 1.5 into torque, that is 3.76 Newton centimeter. Therefore, the required RPM of the DC motor is 60 RPM. Battery sizing. Maximum current drawn by the DC motor is 30 milliamps. Maximum current drawn by the servo motor is 100 milliamps. Number of DC motor used is 1. Number of servo motor used is 1. Running time is 3 hours. I is equals to current drawn by the DC motor into running time into number of motors plus current drawn by the servo motor into running time into number of motors. Total current is 1200 milliamps hour. Functional specifications of the entire system. 1. Input. Device uses buttons and display through which input can be provided. It can take two digits as number. 2. Holding the spool. A cylindrical spool is used in winding of 25 mm. 3. Rotation and winding. Servo motor is used for to and fro motion of the stick at a particular angle of 0 to 140 degrees for accurate winding. 60 RPM DC motor is used to rotate the winding spool. 4. Indications. On the start winding, the device indicates the user by turning the LED light on. Modeling and simulation.
So, this is our circuit diagram simulation module. Our circuit consists of slide switch, LED, resistor, servo motor, relay module, DC motor, and a battery. Our model was divided into three subsystems. The first subsystem would consist of a IR sensor and a LED, but due to the non-availability of IR sensor, we have replaced it with the slide switch and LED is present. The second subsystem consists of servo motor and the third subsystem consists of DC motor. This is the code for our circuit. As we start our simulation, we need to turn on the slide switch. As we turn this on, the DC motor starts to rotate, and along with the rotation of DC motor, the servo motor starts to sweep at a certain angle. This DC motor helps in the rotation of the winding spool, and the winding spool starts to pull the copper wire through the copper spool. While this process is going on, this servo helps to sweep through the certain angle and make the winding accurate.
GitHub documentation. The steps followed in the GitHub for the implementation of a project are 1. Gathering pertinent information. 2. Problem definition. 3. Concept selection and product architecture. 4. Functional specifications. 5. Virtual implementation. 6. Interface performance specifications. 7. Motor sizing and battery sizing. 8. The code for the project. Glimpse of our page. Software and its version used for project. In our project, we have come across different platforms like 3D modeling, circuit, simulation, and video recording. These things have been implemented using softwares or websites like github.com for implementation of project data, Autodesk Inventor 2020 for 3-dimensional modeling, Circuito.io for circuit diagram, Tinkercad.com for circuit working or simulation, Xbox Game Bar Record inbuilt for Windows 10 for screen recording. Thank you.